Kung level 129 ka na and nasa B3 ka, malamang isa ka na rin sa umiiyak sa kunat ng EXP. So bakit nga ba nangyari to? Nangyari to dahil dun sa modification namin ng map design. We altered the entrance to Hangout 3F to 135. The intention is to hold these players long enough sa B3 para either ma-boost nila yung mga bagong papasok sa B3 or magkaroon sila ng interaction with other players from other schools like PK para hindi naman boring yung map. Now, the progression is 130 to Prison and then 135 to Hangout 3F and then to Middle Hold, the last map. The intention of this map design is to distribute these players across the maps evenly para hindi naman maging ghost town yung B3, yung Prison, yung Hangout, and yung Middle Hole by the time na nag-level na yung mga characters. Kumbaga magkakaroon ng handshake. Pag nag-level 130 yung mga galing ng B3, meron ng mga players doon at tatanggap sa parating na papasok ng B3. And then go to Prison, and then Hangout 3F, and then Middle Hole. That's the purpose. Now, we have very limited options at the moment. Kasi hindi namin pwedeng i-alter yung map design kasi unfair naman doon sa mga nasa Prison na kung bigla mo binuksan yung Hangout 3F. The only options we have is to introduce other EXP items like the ADO or even the ×5 Rosary. So, alam ko naman na pag nagdesisyon ako or hindi ako magdesisyon is meron at merong masasabi. So, I'll try to come up with something na less disruptive and steady pa rin yung progression. So, hang on tight. We'll keep these dreams alive. Follow for more.